See, firstly, reading books exposes you to a wide range of vocabulary and sentence structure. Wherever I find a library, I keep hunting and find ways that could help me get some books for a lesser price. I'll share my best 3 books that you could read if you are a beginner. Mental exercise strengthens your ability to think critically. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that has been a game changer for me when it comes to improving my English skills. That is reading books. Ever since I was a kid, I have been reading books, especially novels. I have a fancy for novels, and unless I finish the book, I would be so restless to finish it. I am kind of hungry for novels. Wherever I find a library, I keep hunting and find ways that could help me get some books for a lesser price. I don't follow motivational or non fictional books because they don't entertain me. I am not so much into them. But this is my personal choice. Your choice of books could be different, and that's totally fine. Now, you might be thinking, why should I bother with books when I have the internet? Well, let me tell you why. Before that, I want to tell you, please watch the video till the end because at the end of the video, I will share my best 3 books that you could read if you are a beginner. The language used in these books is quite simple and understandable by everyone. Along with enjoying the content of the books, you will also improve your English. That is an icing on the cake, right? So let's get started with today's video. See, firstly, reading books exposes you to a wide range of vocabulary and sentence structures that you may not come across in everyday conversations or online content. I feel that people in real life do not talk or use the complex sentences that are used in books. Do you agree? This helps you expand your knowledge and understanding of the English language. Trust me, after years of reading books, my vocabulary has improved a lot. Secondly, books offer a deeper insight into different cultures and different perspectives. They take you on incredible journeys through captivating stories and allow you to explore new worlds without leaving your room. When you read a book, you kind of get lost in the world described by the author. By immersing yourselves in these narratives, you not only improve your language skills but also gain a broader understanding of the world around you. You get to know about various things that you had no idea about. Moreover, reading books enhances your critical thinking and analytical skills. As you engage with whatever is written in the book, you start analyzing the characters, their motivations, and the plot twists. This mental exercise strengthens your ability to think critically and express your thoughts effectively in English. Suspense books are the best example for this. Additionally, books provide a fantastic opportunity for self improvement. Whether it's self help books or personal development literature, they offer valuable insights and strategies to enhance different aspects of your life. By reading these books in English, you not only improve your language skills but also gain valuable knowledge that can benefit you in both personal and professional life. Lastly, reading books is a great way to relax and unwind. In today's fast paced world, finding moments of tranquility, so tranquility means peace. So, finding tranquility can be challenging. However, getting lost in a good book allows you to escape from the reality for a while and recharge your batteries. So, there you have it. Reading books is not only crucial for improving your English skills but also for personal growth and relaxation. I highly recommend incorporating reading into your daily routine. That too, read from a book. Trust me, I am telling this based on my own personal experience. I can confidently say that books have been a game changer for me and they can be for you too. But please wait. As promised in the beginning of the video, here are my top 3 recommendations if you are a beginner. I have particularly picked up books by Indian authors because they are quite easy to understand for beginners. Even children can follow them. And they also provide a glimpse into Indian literature and culture. So the first book is The Blue Umbrella. The author of this book is Ruskin Bond. This novel by this author is written in simple, understandable language and tells the heartwarming story of a young girl and her blue umbrella in a small Indian village. So, the second recommendation is The Room on the Roof by the same author, Ruskin Bond. This novel follows the adventures of a 16-year-old boy named Rusty who runs away from his strict guardian to explore the colorful world of Dehradun. The last one, I am sure most of you would have heard about this. The third book is Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan. This book is a collection of short stories. Malgudi Days offers an introduction to the fictional town of Malgudi with stories that are both charming and straightforward in their language. Not only these, you can read books by Sudha Murthy, which she has written for children. I want to give you a disclaimer here. These are my choices. I like stories and drama. Which is your favorite genre? Think and choose accordingly. If you don't like stories and you buy these books, you won't be able to continue for a long time. You will get bored and give up the idea of reading again. See, you should read mindfully. This is very important. Every single word and sentence, the context in which the words are used. Because you are not just reading for time pass, you are reading to improve English. The books that I have recommended provide a good starting point for English learners while immersing yourself in the storytelling traditions of Indian authors. As your English skills improve, you can explore more complex works of Indian or international authors. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on language learning and personal development. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.